This is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to upload video clips to the PlayStation app on your phone from your PlayStation 5, and you can do this two different ways. So you can go to the media gallery right here, otherwise hold down the share button, go to your video clip, then go to media gallery right here and open this up. Then locate your video clip, and you can see if it's been uploaded. There's going to be a little phone icon in the upper right side of the screen, and what you want to do is select it and then go on down to where it says upload to PlayStation app and choose this, and it says the capture will be available on PlayStation app for 14 days, and I believe I already uploaded this. Should be my uploads/downloads, so it already uploaded, but it looks like this one did not, so I can go to upload to PlayStation app, and it looks like the video clip is too long, so I do need to shrink it a little bit for it to actually upload. So to do this automatically now, you might not have this setting turned on. We want to go to settings right here, scroll on down to captures and broadcasts, then under captures go right and go to auto upload. Automatically upload your manually created screenshots and video clips to PlayStation app. When your PS5 is connected to the internet, they'll be available for 14 days after you create them. Then also you want to make sure you're connected to the internet, so let's go to system, then go to power saving, go to features available in rest mode. Make sure you're staying connected to the internet and you have that turned on, so you can actually upload when your PlayStation 5 is in rest mode. So we want to go on over to rest mode right here. When we turn off our PlayStation 5, you can download updates and upload your video clips as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.